Please, I'm begging for a home for my kids. A good home. Home that I could call mine.
Just one day before Christmas, Miss Watley's dream came true. She, her 4 children, and their father moved into a brand new HTC house in Eden Gardens, Couva. They were overjoyed, but that feeling has quickly turned to disenchantment.
The hardest thing is for me now is preparing for school for my kids. I have no one, I do not have a vehicle, not saying that I want the government to give me a vehicle, no, I don't want that. I need a location where I will be capable to move about with my kids in Chaguanas where their school are located.
This lady now get a free house. A free house. And she worried about location from Couva to Chaguanas. First of all, Couva to Chaguanas is approximately 35 minutes, you could say. You understand? And she worried about location. You know what? I'm probably judging the lady too much. Let me see what else she have to say.
What would I do? Walk from Chaguanas there? Then my kids attend Chaguanas, school in Chaguanas. If I have no money to travel, what would I do? Walk? Not making any sense?
Yes, that making real sense. If I was in she position, I would have been walking all now, bare feet too, with my big toe sticking out. I don't care. This lady now get a house and watch how she moving. Way ungrateful, bold-facedness to the maximum. Nah, if the government give me a house in Tobago and my children going to school in Trinidad, I resting all of them on my back and I walking over the water, boy. I walking over the water from Tobago to Trinidad. I come in and I dropping my children to school. I not making no excuses. I now get a free house. This lady, way she mental. Nah, man. Anyway, she have more to say. Let me see what she had to say.
She says she is prepared to return to the home she recently left.
Back to scratch. The government never make me, and they will not break me. My mom made me. She did break me. She did not prepare anything for me. So I'm not asking the government to prepare anything for me. Please, I'm begging for a home for my kids. A good home. A home that I could call mine.
I don't even know what to say. She, ungrateful. Ungrateful. Idiots. Idiots. Ungrateful. The government shall take back the house from you now. Ungrateful. Idiots. Idiots.